bottom line is it's not done in a straight line. So that's the first thing that you've got to do. I'm sorry, I mentally skipped over a step. So the first thing we've got to do is manage our expectations. And if you're writing something down, that's one thing that you should write down. Manage your expectations. What do you expect to do in what amount of time? If you're in this class right now and you do not have your business plan printed out, then you really should log off, go do that, and come back to the next advanced class. And truly, I should probably see 80% of the class dump out at this point. So most of the people in the room, one honest person, two. So what are most of us doing then? Most of us are not managing our expectations well enough. And what that means is down the road, as we start to go from here, 0, to where we want to be, because our expectations aren't being managed correctly, we start feeling upset. Because mentally speaking, what are we thinking? I'm going from 0 to where I want. In one leap, the overnight success. By managing our expectations, what happens is as we start off on this road and we find that we're going the wrong way, we can say, whoops, going the wrong way, and start going along. And we start going wrong again. Uh-oh, we turn around. Over and over as we go through this process, we can circle back around, keep our eyes on where we want to go, where we want to be, and then we can get there. So managing your expectations. Probably more important than managing your expectations is writing it down. Geez, my pen's acting up. When you write something down, I can't explain it. I don't believe it's mystical or metaphysical, but something does happen. It must be something in the way God wired our brain. When we write it down, it becomes reality. Like I said, my personal belief is not metaphysical. It's not, I personally have a problem with a lot of that stuff. I won't be insulting towards it, but it's not a mystical process to me, okay? And I've seen it in my own life, okay? Several years ago, when due to things in the ministry and other goals that I had, I started writing down different things that I wanted to do, who I wanted to be as a trader, what kind of other businesses did I want to have. And I can tell you almost to the penny in terms of income, I've reached those goals. So again, it is absolutely essential that you have it written down. Now in your kit, I have taken the liberty of giving you a pre-made business plan where you have a starting block. That was never meant to be something that you printed off and used word for word as your example. You don't own it. It's not yours. What you want to do is go in there with that business plan and use it as a model. Get in these webinars, get some interaction with me or with the staff, and talk about some of these things. One of the programs that I'm looking at starting now, I've been doing some surveys of the crew, there's a book out there called The Dream Manager. One of the things that I want to do is start a program where we can get you someone to work with on a one-on-one basis to help you with these written goals, this written process. Because I know most people who buy the insider code don't have this, deep down passion to be a, quote, trader. They want to get out of debt. They want financial freedom. They want to be retired. They see trading as a vehicle to get them there. And I realize that. I understand that.